Okay, welcome back guys, Fire Alarm NZ here, and I'm here for an unboxing. Okay. Okay, so we have a letter here from the buyer, of the seller, sorry. And we have a tag here for the Apollo smoke detectors. So we'll start with the Apollos. I've got 3 of those here. Unfortunately, only one of them has a base, but they look, no, they are different. So the tag goes in there like this, and that pushes on these buttons here, and there you go. So we also have, I just put these off to the side here, some system sensor smoke alarms, also addressable. So I don't have an addressable panel. If you guys could help me locate an addressable panel somehow, that would be much appreciated, because I really want one, and there's like none of them in New Zealand. So let's unbox these. There's one. And 2. What do we have here? Oh, look at that. Got another Apollo base, but unfortunately only one tag. So that's pretty cool. I need your guys' help in finding an analog addressable panel. I'd be willing to pay for it, obviously, but I just need someone, to know a panel that would be compatible with these. But also, if I could find a panel that was compatible with these as well as these, that would be awesome. But I know that's quite a slim chance. And also, I need to find, if I can take this out quickly, I need 2 more of these tags here, and 1 more of this base, and 2 more of these bases. So I'm not sure how to go about finding those, but if you guys could help, that would be much appreciated. Thanks for watching.